Hello everyone, the channel is helpful for GATE and ESP aspirants, and here we discuss a brief analysis about previous year questions. So first of all, discuss the first question. The figure shown in the below represent a MOS transistor with constant 10 milliamps per volt square. The figure constructs for the response of small signal analysis. If the MOSFET is biased at DC current 10 milliamps and a small signal input voltage 1 millivolt is applied to the small signal output applied, then the small signal output voltage will be. We have to calculate the small signal output voltage. Here they given that channel length modulation is negligible. So for our figure, we can calculate the solution. To calculate the small signal equivalent MOSFET, we use it to calculate firstly GM. So where GM is transconductance, GM equals 2 into under root Kn into ID. This is a equation. By this one, we know the already given Kn values in the question 10 milliamps and ID equals to 10 milliamps. So by substituting these values in this formula, we can get GM equals to 2 into under root of 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Overall, we can get 20 milliamps per volts. By the help of calculator, you can get this value. So after getting the transconductance GM value, we can do the given circuit in small signal equivalent circuit form. So by the equivalent circuit of small signal like this, we know the MOSFET equivalent circuit. Resistor connected to the gate terminal and drain, and over here grounded source. Already given input side as input resistance and input supply V signal. Okay, then output side current source GM VGS. Where how you get VGS? Gate to source by the help of input side. Here we get VGS. So in our question they given n channel MOSFET. This one is source, gate and drain. We know VGS equals to V signal, and we knew VGS equal to V signal as input signal. So they given that as 1 millivolts. In the question they mentioned 1 millivolts. Okay, for that one, at the output side we have one resistor, drain resistor RD. Okay, and now then we can calculate output small signal voltage. So the already given drain resistance as given that 10 kilo ohms, right? 10 kilo ohms. So this one is output side, this one input side. So by the help of the Ohm's law, we know that V equals to IR, right? So for calculating the small signal output voltage, the output voltage is calculated by current source and parallel drain resistance. So V output equals to GM VGS into RD. Okay, so by that one, by the help of the first equation value, we can get V output equals to GM already known as 20 milliamps into VGS. VGS already know. Gate to source voltage is similar to input signal voltage. VGS equals to V signal equals to 1 millivolts, right? So substitute over here, and drain resistance already given in the question. Drain resistance already given is question that is 10 kilo ohms. Simply substitute in here 10 to the power of 3. We after calculation milli and 10 to the power of 3 cancel, and 200 into 10 to the power of minus 3 both are cancel. We get 2 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Simply we get 0.2 volts or 200 millivolts. It is the answer. Simply we get finally small signal output voltage as 200 millivolts. Thank you.